Now we would like to provide you a brief demonstration on how our website works. So this is the landing page for our website, which contains information such as who we are, and of course the link to play the game. To play the game, the user can click on this button, and the user will be redirected to this site where the user can choose between two games that are available on our site. For demonstrative purposes, we will click the first game, which is Far From Oasis. And here is the instructions to play the game. Of course, like use the arrow keys to move, avoid hazardous objects, and complete the objective. And this is also a short brief before playing the game, which tells the user about what the game is about. So when the user is ready, the user can click Start Game. So after clicking the Start Game button, the user will be redirected towards this site where the user have to collect water and get back home. So the first objective here is to collect the water, and the user have to navigate Mr. House to let Mr. House find the water from the well. To do so, the user can click the right arrow key to move Mr. House to the right, and click the up arrow key to let Mr. House jump. So here's an example. When Mr. House finds obstacle, Mr. House has to jump. And of course, finally, upon reaching the end, here's the well where the water is located. Mr. House has to take water from the well. And in this case, the objective has changed, which is to return home. In this case, the user can click the left arrow key to move Mr. House to the left and, of course, go home. Another obstacle to jump. And finally, we have return home. Upon completing the game, the user will be redirected towards this page where the user can choose between making a donation or to share with their family or friends by Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or WhatsApp. To demonstrate, we will try to make a donation where clicking this button will redirect us towards this page where the user can choose between providing their donation towards these three websites that we have provided as an example. So to demonstrate, we will click upon the Habitat for Humanity icon, and after clicking this, the user will be redirected to the Habitat for Humanity Singapore website where the user can create their donation.